In this video, we're going to discuss a cool feature called the customer map found within the mapping system. Once you're logged into the mapping system, you're going to see over here in the menu bar a word or a menu option that says customer map. When I click on it, you're going to see, and wait a second, you're going to notice a map will load up. And it's going to be a map of your customers and a map of customers on the route schedule. This will allow you to take a look at the map and see where all your customers are, and will assist you in deciding where to put a customer on the route schedule. You can even search the map by street address. When you zoom in, you'll see that the clusters will divide up into smaller clusters. So I got a cluster of 4 customers there, and when I keep zooming in, they become more visible. If I was to click on this red R, it's going to show me a customer on the route schedule. It'll show you the route date, and the stop number. Clicking the purple C shows you that this is a customer on your customer list and where they exist on the map. You can also expand this map for easier viewing and hit escape to get out of the large view. And this is a great feature to figure out, again, how to figure out where to put a customer on the route schedule. That's all I got for today, guys. Have a good day.